I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to activate the Fidelity mobile app. First, download the official Fidelity Investments app from your device's app store, whether it's the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once downloaded, open the app and tap on the Log In option. Then, simply enter your existing Fidelity username and password to start accessing your account. This initial step connects your device to your Fidelity profile. Next, you'll need to complete a crucial security step, two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of protection to your account. You can choose to receive a one-time verification code via text message to your registered phone number or through your email. Once you receive the code, enter it into the app to confirm your identity. This ensures only you can access your account, even if someone else has your login details. Now that your account is secure, personalize your app experience. You can set up a 4-digit PIN or enable biometric login, like fingerprint or facial recognition, for quick and secure access. Customize your dashboard to show the account information most important to you. Explore various features such as placing trades, transferring funds, depositing checks, and viewing account statements, all designed to help you manage your investments efficiently. Finally, review and accept the terms and conditions for using the mobile app. Once you've done this, your Fidelity mobile app is fully activated and ready for you to manage your investments on the go. You can now confidently access your accounts, make transactions, and stay informed. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to enhance your daily routine. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.